So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to cope with one of the most frustrating things when you are doing a lens repair, and that is to bump into a sealed lens block. And you know the feeling, if you have bumped into that already, is you are near done with your repair, you have disassembled everything, you're going to clean the fungus or the whatever you want to remove, and then you realize you cannot remove that lens because it's blocked, and then you get really frustrated. So the way I proceed, well, it works for sealed blocks that are in plastic, is to take a scalpel, ideally with a new blade, and then I start cutting like I show you here. And with that I am able to remove the element I am interested to clean. Then I do all the work, and then I just simply need to reassemble, and then just to make sure it's going to hold, I put very small pieces of glue in 3 points. So I'm using this tool that allow me to put really small amounts of glue at specific points. You see the tip slightly larger, but then if you don't have this, which you probably don't, you can use a toothpick, and then you put just very tiny dots of glue so the lens will hold, and then with that you will be able to save otherwise impossible to save lenses. And this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.